Got the cab back outside. Floor is pretty much dry. Put 2 coats on here. I'm going to go ahead and start just stripping paint off, continuing to work on that so I can get a better idea of what I'm working with as far as repairs go. For example, this stuff. I want to see what's under here, because I gotta figure out what I'm going to do with that. Got your gloves on?
I need help.
You didn't get all your fingers in the holes?
No, one. It's not moving.
Which one's not moving?
This one.
No, my goodness, there's nothing in there. Your fingers. Well, take. All right, you got it? All right, go grab the bowl from over here. And I'm going to start pulling this stuff out, and then I want you to just throw the bits into there so we can throw it way easier.
Okay, where are you going to put it?
I'll just throw it like right here.
And I put it in there. I only lifted this up. This is really stuck in.
Okay, I'll come help you. Let me get, there's 2 more. There might still be some nails stuck in there somewhere.
But there's nothing on me. Clean the thing where you look for it. You have to clean that part.
We'll clean it up a little bit.
This is a big. What?
It's like whoever had this before just cut some little chunks of wood and smushed them in here.
Oh my god! Why? Why?
To patch up a broken interior.
When are you gonna follow it?
And I get it out of there. There we go.
That was bad.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hi.
I just hit my leg on something.
Uh-oh. Are you okay?
Yeah. It just hurts.
It just hurts? That you're okay? So tough.
I feel like I just want to sit down.
Why don't you go get the chair?
Moving the rope.
That was a big chunk.
Yeah.
Still.
We have a lot.
Alright.
We were looking at your head.
Nobody wants to see my head.
We were looking at your head. We're looking at your head. Your hammer if you need it. It's coming on this side.
It's coming out pretty easy so far.
There, I got most of the paint off the front, off the firewall. And now I'm gonna plug up all these holes. Almost all of them. So you can use that washer right there. Draw me 9 circles. You know how to do it? Yep. Perfect. Can you see your line?
No.
You need a different marker?
Yeah. And this is not a marker.
No, it's a pencil. I know it's a pencil. I know.
Why did you say marker then?
Here, see if this works.
God. That works.
Alright, I need 9 of those.
I'm getting some color on it.
Yeah, that's okay. Alright. 8 more. Please.
One kind of does not look like a circle.
Alright, do your best, I guess.
How am I done?
You got 9? Count how many you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you need 1 more.
Okay.
And then 2 this size. Please.
So I don't need this small one?
Oh, I'll take that. Here, put that over here where it's bigger, yeah.
Do you need this?
Okay, 1 more. I need another one that big. You can, yeah, right there is fine. This.
Okay, I'm done.
Cool.
Just
Those
don't
are
let-
some precision circles.
I'm right.
Finally got the right size. So we're gonna test these bad boys out. Oh yeah, it's good. I think I just welded up a hole for the battery tray. Oh well. Always make more, I guess.
Are you done?
Almost. Did you want to come outside or something?
Yeah, I want to play.
Okay, you can come out. I'll stop.
Okay. I just want to put on my gloves.
Well, the gloves work good. Come out. I'm done.
The dogs?
The dogs can come out too. Hey, doggies. There you go.
Tumbleweed Garage.